Hey you guys. Okay, so I'm filming on my phone because I keep forgetting to grab my camera, and I thought I should just record something now so that I can just upload it from my phone so that I don't have to edit anything. So I came back from San Francisco just 2 days ago. I'm back at work today, and I have another craft show this Saturday and Sunday in Culver City at the platform. If any of you are interested in getting a greeting card or shopping local, come by. But other than that, I'm sorry I've been absent. It has been a crazy past few months. So I think the last time I spoke to you, my mom had moved out here to Los Angeles, and unfortunately she moved back because of her husband. He didn't want to pay more rent or take the test because he's a truck driver, and he didn't want to take the test to get a California license, or there's just a lot of things that he did not like or he wasn't happy with, and so he decided to move back, and he took my mom back with him. And yeah, it was really disappointing, but you know what? Stuff happens. I'm over it. It's done, and I don't think she'll move back, which is a bummer. So that's the only thing that's still kind of hurts, but you know what? It's over. It's done. And then I had to move out of my studio, you guys. I knew that it was gonna end, but I don't know, I thought maybe that one of my studio mates would stay there with me and we could find some other people, but unfortunately that didn't happen. And when I told the landlord that I was moving out, or the building manager moving out, then one of my studio mates was like, well, actually now I want to stay, but I want to stay by myself. So she took over and she's there now. But while my mom was moving back, I was moving out of my studio. My son, his daycare finished, and we had to find a preschool as soon as possible. So everything kind of got jumbled up into like a chaotic time. And then a little after that, I just started my new job working at this amazing, beautiful store in downtown Los Angeles, which is where I am right now. And it is a Japanese stationery store. And I've told you guys before, but I've always wanted a stationery store. So it's like synchronicity. It all kind of felt like it was meant to happen. And right now I'm learning a lot on how to run a store, how to deal with customers and stuff like that. I haven't worked at a retail store in a very long time. So that's happening. And then, yeah, I'm still working on my greeting cards, which it has kind of slowed down because of everything that was happening. But during that time, I also got picked up by a couple retail stores. There's also one in Los Angeles, in Urban Radish. It's like a fancy schmancy, really cool supermarket. And then we're also in Shop the Fox, or I think it's in Savannah, Georgia, but they're like a coffee shop and they sell like paper goods and things. So yeah, like good and bad. Not good and bad. Everything is good. Everything is good. I'm gonna be positive. It's just a lot of, what do you call it? Adjusting. As usual, when you're a parent, you always adjust to something that's different. And yeah, so I just want to let you guys know, because I do really want to vlog and come back to YouTube. Yeah, you guys, my camera has been in my backpack. I've been charging my batteries every night, and like today, I was like, oh, I have 20 minutes, I can film something. The battery's dead. So I was like, I'm just gonna pull out my phone and do it. I have my coffee. I brought lunch. I've been trying to stay, you know, on a budget, which seems to be working so far. So yeah, sorry, I thought I saw my friend, but I didn't. I've been thinking about switching the content around just a little bit, but I need your advice. So now that I am a mom, I thought I would do some mom content, and also that I run a small business, I would do some small business content for what I have learned so far. and then like the everyday vlogging that seems like you guys like. Thank you guys, by the way, for always leaving sweet comments and saying, I missed your vlogs. It really makes me want to do it more, and I apologize for being absent for so long. It's just been everything just kind of seemed like it was turned upside down. But yeah, so I wanted to do those contents, and I want to give you as much as I can offer. But I really want to know why you guys are here. I know a lot of you guys are here for makeup because that is how I started, and I do plan on doing like a skin routine or an everyday makeup look. But sorry, you get to hear all the ums, huh? Yeah, if you guys are here for the makeup, then I still want to do makeup. I still love it. I'm not buying as much as before, but I still experiment, and there are a lot of skincare things that I have been trying out, so I'd love to talk to you guys about that. But yeah, let me know if it's makeup, mommy content, business content. Let me know. I really want to put out as much as I want. Oh, and also, I have been doing a lot more crafty things, more than before, like paper stuff, so I'm thinking of doing that as well. So let me know what you think about that. Okay, it's a beautiful day. I have to go and unlock the store, but I'm glad I could update you guys for a second. Here is, if you've never come to the row, by the way, I'm all over the place. If you've never come to the row, this is right in downtown Los Angeles in the Arts District. And every Sunday we have Smorgasburg, which is originally from Brooklyn, but all the food trucks come out and there's food, and sometimes there's like little farmers market type of things. It's fun. It's every Sunday. And right now I work at the store called High Tide, which is a Japanese stationery store. And right across the way, which is right there, is supposed to be Tartine from San Francisco. You guys, if you've never been, it's so stinking good. I went, since we just got back from San Francisco, I went to Tartine just to grab a croissant and coffee. That's it, and it was so good. So I'm really excited that they're gonna open up right down there. Apparently they're gonna open up in phases because it is a large area. The first phase supposedly in September. We'll see, because they've been saying that the past year or so. We'll see. But anyways, thank you guys for listening to me. It's gonna get dark, isn't it? And yeah, I will be back very, very soon. Let's upload this and see what happens. Okay, bye you guys. I'll see ya.